Diamond Elite membership pass. And with this membership, we were able to go to the membership entrance and basically cut down the time to get into the park. Exactly. Also, this video is sponsored by Six Flags, so I did want to say thank you to Six Flags for bringing us out here. So we just got out of this really awesome show, and because of our Diamond Elite memberships, we were able to get preferred seating, and now we're off to ride more roller coasters. So we're about to get on our first roller coaster. Let's see who screams the least. I don't even know what to expect, but it looks really, really scary, so we'll see how it goes. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Can't do this. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! I'm already screaming. It hasn't even happened yet. Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't do this! Oh my god! Okay, so we just got over our first ride, and that was honestly one of the scariest rides I've ever been on. He wanted to know because he was screaming the whole time and had his eyes closed. No, I did not, okay? I definitely feel like he screamed more than me, correct me if I'm wrong, but we are about to go on another ride, so stay tuned for that. So this one's gonna go like 100 feet up in the air, and I'm scared of heights, so I'm probably gonna scream. No! Oh my god! No! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, so I honestly didn't expect that ride to be so scary. It was like 100 feet up in the freaking air. Like, what do you expect? Almost 200 feet up. So, you know what? We're probably going to take a break and get some food right now or something because I feel like I should take a break. Okay, so we just picked up our drink, and I totally forgot to mention with our Diamond Elite membership pass, we're able to get a free sports bottle and unlimited refills every time we visit a park all year long. What are you buying? Hey, it's a Joker shirt. I like it. Why? Okay, well, you're paying for it. We get 50% off almost everything in this park. Oh, because we have the Diamond Elite membership, right? Exactly. Oh my god. Okay, so we're about to go on a super scary ride once again, and guess what? We don't have to wait in line because we have to skip the line because we're Diamond Elite membership. Yeah, my arm's sore. Why don't I have to be the one to record? Everyone. Are you guys ready? Oh no, I'm not ready. Okay, it's not so bad right now. I lied about it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I keep telling us these rides aren't scary. They're super scary.
Did you guys have fun?
No.
Why not?
Alex, what are you buying? What? So I'm getting Batman because I'm the good twin. I get 50% off. Why? Because you're a Diamond Elite member. Diamond Elite members. Exactly. 50% off. That's about to be us in like 2 seconds, Alan. No. No, we are not going on this. Why am I the one always recording? Whoa, 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 my god! Oh my god! Whoa! Why is that moving? Whoa, 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 whoa! Wait! I need to put the camera down. Why is that moving? I can't record this. I can't record that. It's over, I think. That was so hard. What was that? That was 100% the scariest one I've been on. Oh no! That movie doesn't work? No. Doesn't work? So it's just a fake. So you guys might be wondering why we have 4 funnel cakes with us. This is what we love food, and because we have the Diamond Elite membership, which doesn't bring a friend each, we're able to get 4 funnel cakes. So honestly, we were able to make the most of our experience at Six Flags because of our Diamond Elite membership. It came with a lot of cool perks. We were able to get free preferred parking right next to the entrance, and we also get to skip the line passes every single time we visit the park. That, along with unlimited soft drinks, we also get to save over 50% on pretty much everything we buy inside the park. And I was able to buy a Batman shirt, and I was able to buy the Joker shirt because he's the evil twin. No, because he's the evil twin. No, it's not. We were also able to catch a really cool show, and we have VIP seats. seating, and the membership also gives us unlimited visits to 16 Six Flags theme parks and their water parks as well, all for a low monthly price. So if you guys want to make the most of your experience at Six Flags like we did, be sure to visit sixflags.com and find the nearest Six Flags to you and get your own membership. So that is actually going to be it for this week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and letting us bring you along through our journey and wonderful day at Six Flags. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a like, and we'll see you guys